Hey, what's up, YouTube and Triple T members? Jeremy Barber here, owner of Trading the Trend chat room on Discord. The link is in the description. Quick reminder, today is the last day to enter our drawing for a free year's membership or $50 PayPal, winner's choice. You have to be a member of the chat room. It is free to join. We have a free area, and once you join, just send me a DM and let me know what topic you would like to see covered on one of these videos, and you will be entered into the drawing. The drawing will take place this weekend, either on Saturday or Sunday's video, and we'll announce the winner. So again, just join the Discord room and send me a DM. Let me know what topic you would like to see covered. So today is Friday, so we'll be reviewing my trading week. And this is the account that I started with $3,000 the end of last June 2020. And it, as of close today, it is just under 170,000. We had the holiday on Monday, and then Tuesday, I finished the day up 12,600 plus. The overnight holds from Friday were up big. I think I took one loss, and then the other two were up. I believe I got out around 20-25% on each of those. And that was EBON and SENS. They were up big and pretty much stayed up big most of the day. So plenty of opportunity to get profits on those. So like I said, Tuesday started off great start to the week. It's always good to start your week off like that. And then Wednesday, the second day of the trading week, I held CLPS, and it gave me, I exited with $9.50 and $10 per share profit, holding 2,000 shares. So huge profit on that, and I ended up being over 17,000 profit on Wednesday. So I was up about 30,000 after the first 2 days of the week. And so I adjust my position sizes according to how much money I have in my account. I typically do that on the weekend. I'll take whatever I'm at on the weekend and I'll use that position size throughout the entire week. Well, maybe I got a little bit too overconfident, and I went ahead and moved up my position sizes about $4,000 per position, going into Thursday's market. So I was a little bit oversized for my game plan. It still fit my account, but whenever you take all losses on the day and you're oversized for what you're used to, it's going to turn into something pretty ugly. So I was down almost $10,000 on Thursday, and it was all from the end of day plays. I think I took a few small day trades to try to work myself out of it. Nothing really was working. I didn't lose too much on the the day trades. I had probably four or five, and it was pretty much a break even on those. But it was mostly from the end of day trades and being oversized in those positions. So after a huge loss on Thursday, I didn't play anything going into Friday other than my longer holds. And my longer holds were down on Friday, and I took a couple day trades. I took, I think, a $400 loss and a $150 loss on 2 day trades today. Didn't do too much. Still, with my longer holds being down, I still closed down a little over $4,000. So I gave back about half of what I was up after the first 2 days, which is not good. But again, I didn't really make any bad plays. I entered plays that had a good risk to reward, and they just didn't work out. And when they don't work out and you're sized up, my account was at the highest it's ever been. And so whenever you size up according to that and then take all losses, which is something that hasn't happened in quite a while, a few months at least. But yeah, that's going to hurt. So again, still a great week overall, and that's what, you know, my trading is about. Is you got to look at the positives. You got to find the positives in what's going on. Yeah, I lost 14,000 over the last 2 days, but I still finished the week up 16,000, or about 10% of my account for the week. So there's really nothing to complain about. You know, I didn't make any stupid mistakes. I was more upset the previous week where I let some plays go unattended and took some losses when I shouldn't have than this week. This week was more of trading. It happens. You're going to have bad days where everything is red. The market wasn't great the end of the week. Most of my trading is based off of volume and relative volume, and there wasn't too much out there. So again, you know, great week overall, bad finish to the week, but that's part of the ups and downs of trading, and you know, you've got to be able to fight through those. My longest streak ever of red days was 9 days in a row. It's going to happen, but if you start getting out of your game plan, or you know, start trying to reach for plays, or just buying anything, jumping on anything that moves, you're going to make the problem worse. Kind of like I went over yesterday. You know, you're not going to do any good by forcing any plays or going all in on a play to try to make up what you lost. It is what it is, and it's part of trading. You know, obviously would prefer to not do that again, but there's not much you can do about red days. As long as you're not making mistakes, making stupid plays, then just live to trade another day. So that's pretty much it for this week. Good week overall. Started off great. If we had just ended after 2 days, that would have been my largest week ever at 30,000. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Gave back about half of it, but still a good week. And you know, keep your focus on the long-term goal. I'm not looking at one day. I'm not looking at 1 week, a month. I'm looking at the end of the year and where I want to be at the end of the year, and I'm still on track. That's what you have to keep your focus on. You do focus on each day at a time, but once that day is over, you know, where am I on this journey, this marathon that I'm running? Where am I at? And you always have to constantly keep that in mind. You can't let one day ruin your account. I've seen good traders let one bad play or one bad day just start the spiral down into, you know, closing out their account. Can't let that happen. Keep your eyes on the long-term goal and keep pushing forward. So we did enter some plays. We don't have any results to show because we didn't have any end of day plays from that we held last night into today. So I will post up our plays that we entered today and we're holding over the weekend. Again, today is the last day to enter in for the drawing for a 3 years membership or $50 PayPal. Join our chat room. It is free. Click the link in the description. Send me a DM once you get in there and just let me know something you'd like to see covered on these videos. Thanks for joining. Good luck and stay green.